cold outside. Oh man, it's cold. It's cold. But we're up. We're up and ready to go. Right now we're on our way to meet up with John, Mikey, to the gas station, and then we're gonna go cruise through somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where, but that's what we're gonna go do. So let's see how it goes. It's cold. It's really cold. That's Jamie, is it cold? Look at her. Alright. Woo, woo, woo. It's cold outside. Ooh.
It's because people up north were gonna, some old coworkers are gonna go for their place.
What's up?
Instead, we're gonna go up to the 7 instead of going all the way to the 78 up there, Escondido.
Look at that guy, he's fucking jerking off and eating.
Then we'll come out all the way to 8 over by Viejas.
Gotta get that Red Bull for America. We're good.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, now you see it.
It's just really like, you know, I feel like I'm driving behind a grandma or something.
Why didn't want to fucking go faster? You
I'm just
okay?
kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Don't be a dick.
Care.
I didn't know, dude. It's hard to be the leader.
Here, let me take a quick.
Johnny being the ass, not turning his car off.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, your shit is loud, dude.
Oh, move, dude. What the fuck?
Oh, sorry.
Take a picture. You got like the best shot right now, dude. Because you have that fucking gap.
That background?
Yeah.
Take a picture. Damn, I would want to go down through here with my Civic. It's like perfect. Was that the only pie place? Or?
No, I think there's another one because we're gonna go up and then you have to like.
We go down. We go back down,
to,
no?
like, turn right, but there's like a little like a business area.
Okay.
Up in
that what that was?
Yeah, something ran through. Happened. What was it?
Two deer.
Really? I knew it. And I told Jamie there's deers for the next 9 miles.
Dude, I have never
there's
seen
a sign.
that. Dude, I came around that corner. I was like, oh shit!
Damn, that's
I
funny.
had a glimpse of it. I thought it was coyotes.
I saw them like last minute.
Deer, dude.
They were big as fuck?
Yeah, they're 2 grown deer.
Damn.
Fucking, my car was still rolling forward and I get
Retard. Oh, that one time I saw
canyon cruise that we did. So as you heard in the beginning, it was supposed to be longer originally, but it was cut down because people flaked and they weren't gonna go anymore. Which is okay, you know. There's always next time. Things come up sometimes, and people have things to do, but it's okay. Sometimes smaller is better. But yes, that was a cool little cruise. We almost did hit that deer, which was interesting, the least to say. But other than that, check out links down below to hit our Meister shop online. Also, check out links down below for any products that I've used in the past videos, or if there's anything in this video. But anyways, like always, thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
ring, ting a ting a ting.